What's up, Bender fam? Dylan from Trailbenders Overland here. We just got 3 super exciting boxes in the mail. Let's bust these open and show you what's inside. Surprise! It's a box inside a box. So inside the box is this beautiful box, power box. Sorry, I know our work area is a little messy right now. We're still working hard on the deuce. But check this thing out. What else we got? Let's pull this all out. I know there's gonna be a charger or something in here. No, that's it. That's it. Why? Because the charger is built in. There it is. Pretty sweet. All right, let's take a brief tour of this thing. I'll show you quickly what it can do. But we're gonna make another video of this. This is the Lion Energy Safari ME. This is the big boy, 900 watt hours, expandable up to like 3,000, which is amazing. It's pretty much the baddest power box there is. Definitely one of the most simple unboxing videos out there because everything is self-contained. Let's turn it on. Main switch, out of the box, 32%. We have our AC outlets here. Push the button, it turns on. Believe it or not, you push it and it turns back off. This is 2,000 watts continuous with a 4,000 watt surge. So this is designed to power, we're using it to power our shop. If you want to run your blender, hair dryer, that's what this is for. Oh, I just turned it on. We have our Type A USB ports here. Then we have our USB Type C, 18 watt. The 60 watt is what you might use for your laptop. 18 watt for an iPad, and your 2.4 amp USB ports here for your lower power USB items. Here we have a cigarette lighter output. That's a 15 amp and a 25 amp Anderson 12 volt output. Let's flip this thing around. The back is pretty simple. We have our Anderson input for solar. This takes up to 600 watts, which is super cool. When I flip it back around, I'll remind you exactly how quick that'll charge. I think at 600 watts, this thing charges in like an hour and a half. Amazing. This plug here is for the Lion Energy expansion pack. Like I said, that takes you up to 3,000 watt hours. Built in, like we already showed you, is the charger cable, and we have the circuit breaker here in case anything overdraws from it and trips that breaker. Now, I will actually say this thing is a lot easier to use than the Safari LT, which is a little smaller, great little unit. But you just push the button, turns on. Push it, turns off. It's quick. You don't have to hold it. It's a quick on and off. And I think the screen stays on by default. If you hold the screen button for, 5 seconds, it'll shut off, and then that puts it into a switch mode where you can turn the screen on and off if you're trying to save battery or if it's in your truck where you're sleeping and the screen's too bright. If you hold it again for 5 seconds, it'll go back into screen full-time on. So like I said, we are going to be using this to power our shop. We have 2 other ones that we'll be putting in our 2 4Runners. And we're just excited to be using this thing. We'll be setting up 4 solar panels on the roof in the shop and just pushing this thing to its limits and seeing how far we can take it. So look forward to another video reviewing it, as well as showing how to set it up in different situations, like for off-road travel and in the shop. I just plugged it in to charge and it tells you how much time it takes till it's full. And I almost forgot to mention, we actually sell all of the Lion Energy products that we use on our website. Check the link below. You can also get one of these cool hats and other TBO merch and gear. Almost everything that we use, we sell, so check it out. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section below. We are slowly becoming Lion Energy pros because we're running almost all their products now. We have their UT1300s in our trucks as our auxiliary batteries, which is an awesome lithium battery. We already have their LT, Safari LT, that is running the shop right now, but we needed more power, so that's why we upgraded. Like I said, we have 2 more of these going in our 4Runners for now, and we also are running their 100-watt solar panels, the 12-volt ones for the trucks, and 24-volt to be charging this in the shop. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button and consider being part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our channel. If you want to see more of our content as it releases, hit that bell. Again, thank you. This is Dylan from Trailbenders Overland, out.